Hey guys, it's MLP Sprinkles here, and today I am really excited because I went to the store and bought more Pony Life. So I've got 4 to unbox, and I thought I would make an unboxing video. Already got one of these ones. There is some in my tent, but one day I will do a collection update of them. Maybe one day after I come back from school, because I think I will have more then, so I would rather upload a video of more. So yeah. So today we're going to be unboxing them. Let me go get my scissors. Sorry. So I got my scissors. That didn't take me long. Okay, wait. That piece of hair is very annoying. So the first one we're unboxing is Twilight Sparkle. Yes, there were loads. There were loads in the store, and of course I got Rainbow already because she's my favorite character. So the box, I really like the boxes because they've got like the new logo. Looks very nice. Yeah, just realised everything about these guys, they're always about potions now. So let's open it. Maybe the new series, because it hasn't come out in my country. Maybe the new series will have lots of stuff where they make potions. That's probably why they made Potion Nova in replace of Zakora. So we got this blue comb, which of course has another potion on it. So there's another potion, like a mini potion bottle right there. Okay, so I'm gonna review the pony last because this little thing came with it. This little thing. I kept the Rainbow Dash one, but I don't know exactly why. And the instructions. No one needs them. So, first of all, before we review the pony, we're going to see what's inside this bag. Cause yeah. Oh, she's got some little bows. Okay, so she's got a little bow like Rainbow Dash's one. She's got a cute little star hair clip. It almost looks like the Pop Jam logo. This has to be the colour of it, and then yeah. So that's the first one. This is the second one. Look. Why did they include that? Who would include that? Wait, let me bring it more to me. As you can see, there's a lot of mess because I've been doing this. So, yeah. And now we're going to review the pony. Here's the pony, Twilight Sparkle. I wonder why her hair's to the side. Hold on. So I'm going to take the hairbands out of her hair. Oh my god, that looks so cute. I'm going to take the hairbands out of her hair, and then we'll see her after. Hold on. But you can still see me doing it, so yeah. Here we go. See, she's got no hairband. Her hair feels very soft, type-ish. Soft? Yeah, I should just say soft. Funny thing is, I've got a rarity one. I found another one in the store, the same size as, wait guys, I'm just grabbing the closest one to me. The same size as this one. Now I've got that other rarity one. Why have they made another rarity one? There was even a mini rarity. They haven't even made Applejack yet. So why make the others and then not make Applejack? Doesn't really make sense. Next one, we got Pinkie Pie. I'm doing it in the main 6 order thing. Pinkie Pie. It's got the same comb size. Yeah, same comb. So, yes, let's unbox it. Ugh. Okay. Alright. The thing is, I always say to myself, when I open like packages which look really nice, why do you make the packages this pretty? when you're actually gonna like chuck them away, it doesn't make sense. Maybe it's to keep your eye on the garbage. You look in the garbage and then you see just the packet. So yeah. Same little potion thing. Yeah. Okay, and we got the comb again. Exact same one, exact same colour. So yeah. Thanks for this blind bag again. Let's see what this was. She came with this same cute little hairband Rainbow Dash came with. Now I got a duplicate of both of them. These hairbands again. So yeah. Now these hairbands are there. Here's another one. Yeah, the same one. And a cute little one of these. I never stick them in their hair. I don't know what's wrong with me for not sticking them in their hair, but you know what? Anyways, like who exactly cares, okay? Hold on guys, give me a minute. Okay, sorry guys about that. So now, let me take these things out of the pony's hair, because I hate these things in the hair, because I feel like the kind of things there. So, oh look, wait, let me go do this, because then you can see her properly. Look, so first, is that Pinkie Pie. Look. And, she's got a different style to Rainbow Dash and Twilight, so yeah. And also, you can see that you can twist the same hair. She's got a hoop up. And still very soft hair, so yeah. I like to compare my Pony Life toys. Look. This one's got really dreadlocky hair. I don't know what's happened to it. Look. I always like to do this, compare them. Old to new. New beats the old one. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna open up the new Pony Potion Nova later in the video. So now we got Trixie. Funny thing is there's a different comb, so we're gonna investigate that later. Like when we actually open it. Funny, I brought scissors because I thought I would need to cut these packages open, but I actually don't. It's hard to open these things. The comb just fell out. Okay. Take everything out. The stupid instructions that no one needs. Now I've got 4 instructions that I don't need. I'm taking these little yellow bands out of their hair. Because who needs yellow bands in their hair? Who? Or I just stop using their hair. They actually look really cute, this one. Okay. The potion bottle thing with their cutie mark. All of them have their cute little cutie marks. I'm not going to show all of them, but look, they all have cute little cutie marks. They all say 4. Yes, sir. Now it's time to review the comb. Okay, I don't know who reviews the comb, but anyway. Here's the comb. It's a different type of colour, like a yellowy colour. Like, what would you call that? Yellowy colour. Look, so it's got the potion bottle again. And funny thing is, this is like the first time I've ever saw these mini brushables in the store, because I haven't seen any in the store for ages. I haven't even seen any in the store, okay? Haven't. Never. Wait, look at this one. Oh, she came with a different type of hairband. It's like this little crown thing. It's not like an actual crown. I don't know what you call this, but comment down below if you know what it is. Let's put that over here. This is cute little hairband. Why do I call them cute? I guess they're cute because they're small, but they're yellow as well. So. And we got a cute little like star with a mini moon on it. I don't know if you can see this, but it's got a mini moon on it, which is really cute. So let's read the pony time. Sorry I'm not using my toy of me to do this. It's because it's kind of breaking, because yesterday I just realised that it's just a rubber, but that some of the neck part was just loose by one thread. So I'll show you my backup one. Okay, so I've got two backup ones. So if you see me using this one, this is Nightmare Sprinkles, the one I created one time, but I might not use that till a long time. But here's my other backup sprinkles. Doesn't look as great, but that will have to do one day. So I have to rest her on something. Here's Trixie. I told you her eyes look cute. I told you. Look, you can like see the sunshine kind of shining on her, which makes her look even more cuter because she's like shining in the light. So yeah, she's got a little horn like Twilight. Oh wait, look at the way over her head. Actually, looks really cute. I need to stare at that. That looks really cute. Something about the nose looks different, which makes it look even more cuter. I don't know why I did that, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, her hair is soft, very stretchy. Wait, okay, whatever. Okay, now the last one. It's Potion Nova, and here we're Potion Nova. The box again. So I'm gonna open this one. Sometimes I hate these cardboard packages, but now I don't, because now I like basically open them. Because when you do it in the magazine, you like can't actually rip it open and you need scissors. So, oh my god, Potion Nova looks really pretty. Stupid instructions. I keep on throwing my instructions aside because I don't like them. Look, we got the little potion bottle thing. Yeah, of course it's potion because it's Potion Nova. So yeah. Now I've got a collection of the little potion things. Ah, wait, I'm falling on. I think I do have a ring last one. I'm not gonna bother look for it now because I'm recording. Yes, so here is the little cone that it came with. A potion bottle cone thing. That's what you call it. I've always been trying to do a live stream on my channel, but you know what? I can never do it. It says something about I can't do it. I was going to make this video a live stream, but sadly I couldn't because of that stupid thing that keeps on popping up, which is getting on my nerves. So yeah. There's the little cone thing, yeah. Okay, now we got the cute little packet, which is right here. I need to hurry up because it's almost at 20 minutes. So yeah. Okay, we need to hurry up. Oh, she's got the same one as Trixie Ludamoon, but like little golden. It's golden, and now there is the little little thing. What do you call this? A hairband. Yeah, you've got a little hairband with it. It's very purple. I know my favorite color isn't purple, but still, that one was a nice color. That one's very nice. It's like jewels, like a little jewel thing. So that's it. And I'm gonna take the hairbands out of Potion Nova's hair. Yeah. I kept these at the front of our car while we were driving because I was like, no. And then when we were at the shops buying them, when we had to go to the other aisle, I was like, bring the trolley, bring the trolley, bring the trolley. But ends up we had to leave it, but nothing happened. I was just worried it would happen. I would, because I didn't see anyone walking around with them. I was worried they were going to take it. I was kind of freaking out. But here's Potion Nova. Oh my god, it's on 40 minutes, 44 seconds. Okay, here's Potion Nova. Quick review. She's got pretty hair and her cutie mark is a potion. Yeah. Let me show you all my little small ponies collection. Oh my god, just hurry, just hurry. So there's pony life in my tent, but I can't take that out right now. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 small ones. I just needed the little rarity one, and then I would have 6. So Potion Nova, Rainbow Dash, Twilight, Pinkie Pie, and Trixie. So, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just like it, or comment, or subscribe. I guess it's my new thing now. Comment, like, and subscribe. So I have to go now, because I'm worried that it will go on 20 minutes, and then it will just stop without me knowing. So, guys, that's the end of the video. So, bye.